lightweight spoons, you can bring those with you on your trip. But if you don't, you're not sure you're going to need to change your tire, just buy some decent tire irons when you get to where you need to go. And leave them behind with your friend to sell or use or take them along down the road. Maybe obvious, but you might want to pull this away from the vehicle a little bit just to kind of give yourself some more room. Be real careful with your discs. Spread the love. You don't even have to spoon this side off. Not on the front. Think twice before mounting the tire. Make sure your rim is oriented. Make sure you know the direction of spin of the tire and the lightest spot on the tire before you pop it on. I'm going to double check it. The colder the tire is, it's going to need a little coaxing. Double check again, rotation, and make sure that light spot is by the valve stem. Remember, the lower you get this down, the less circumference you have to fight with on this side. Keep that off from getting set. See how that's set on there? Tires on. Put the valve core back in, and it doesn't matter, you don't need an air compressor. You can get this bead to set at about 40 pounds with a bicycle pump, and I'm going to do that. It's seated at, according to this is not very accurate here, but at like 22 pounds. I'm going to pump it up for more, just for fun. What I am going to do is measure this with an accurate gauge and come back and check it in about an hour.